Namaste. Welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Achari Mathris, a traditional staple snack in North India. They are usually served with a spicy pickle, but in this recipe I have added mango pickle spices in the dough to add a tangy flavor to the mathri itself. With my family, mathris are a must have while traveling. And no, with Achari Mathri, with no longer need pickle, so it becomes one less thing to carry. This recipe will serve 10. To make Achari Mathris, we will need 2 cups all-purpose flour, plain flour or maida, half a cup fine sooji, samolina, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon dry ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, hing, half a teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, dhania, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard seed powder, half a teaspoon of mango powder, amchoor, 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes, 4 tablespoons of oil. We also need approximately 3/4 cup of lukewarm water. First, I will make the dough for Achari Mathris. So I am going to mix all the dry ingredients together. Here is the all-purpose flour or maida, sooji, salt, ginger powder, asafoetida, fennel seed, coriander powder, mustard seed powder, mango powder, and red chili flakes. Mix it well. Now add the oil. Now add the water slowly. Dough should be very firm but smooth. Dough is ready. It's very firm but smooth. I have used almost 3/4 cup of water. As you see, just little bit left. So I'm going to knead the dough little bit. And keep the dough aside for about 15 minutes before we will roll them. It has been about 15 minutes, so I will just knead the dough little bit more. And divide the dough in 3 equal parts. And then make them in smooth patties. So make all of them the same way. And now roll them in about 11 to 12-inch diameter. So they shouldn't be very thick. So roll all of them the same way. So I have rolled all 3 of them. As you see, they are not very thin and not very fat. It's about like a cracker size thickness. So prick them both sides several places. So mathris don't puff up and they will be more crispy. Turn it over. So I have pricked them up and now I am going to cut them using the cookie cutter. I am using the 2.5-inch cookie cutter, but you can use any shape and size you like. Leftover dough, you can roll it again. So do all of them the same way. Okay, I am ready to fry the Achari Mathri. Heat is on low medium. So to check if oil is ready, just put a little piece of dough and it should sizzle but not come up right away. So this oil looks just right. Just put enough mathris in frying pan so you can turn them over easily. Both sides, they should be light golden brown. So all the mathris are floating on the top, so it's time to turn them. Okay, this has been about 5 minutes and I have been turning really every half a minute, and as you see they are coming out really good. Just another minute they will be ready. They have a very beautiful color. Achari mathris are ready, so I am just going to take them out. And it has taken me about 6.5 minutes. Achari mathris are crisp and delicious. Today I will be serving mathris along with tea because this serves the purpose of having something both spicy and crunchy along with my afternoon tea. Enjoy. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please give this video a like and comment down below. Also don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you.